In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove fake McAfee virus pop-up notification. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is look closely at the very top or bottom edge of the fake McAfee notification window, and you're going to see the name of your web browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or anything like that, along with the actual sketchy website domain URL. Do not click on the notification, as clicking it will redirect you to a malicious landing page. So what you want to do is basically just entirely just not click on it. Next thing you want to do is purge the site permission inside of Google Chrome. So what you want to do is open up Google Chrome. So we're going to open it up like so, and then what you want to do is on the top right corner press the three little dots, and then we're going to go over to settings like so. Now from here, click on privacy and security on the left, and then select site settings, which is going to be right there. Scroll down and click on notification permissions right there, and then all you want to go ahead and do, you're going to see a lot of different things here, but all you want to do is locate the sketchy website domain, and then click the three little dots next to it, and then what you want to do is select remove, or you can select block as well. After that, you should be good to go. Now if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.